In today's video we are going to take a look at this vintage amplifier. This is a guitar amplifier, and here is a view from the back of this amplifier. That is an 8-inch speaker, and we can see the valves here, the vacuum tubes. So I'm going to take the chassis out and we can have a better look on the chassis. It says Challenger Supertone. There is only one input and one volume control, and then there is a bass and treble control, and also we can see an on switch. So this is the polarity changing switch, because this is a hot chassis amplifier. There is no power transformer. There is a dropping resistor here which drops the 240 volts up to the filament voltages. This is a ECC83. These two are the power tubes, UCL82, and this is the rectifier tube, UY85. The speaker has a date code of 0256. That means it's February 1956. And here's a view from underneath the chassis. The capacitor, the electrolytic capacitor, has been changed and replaced with two 47 individual 47 microfarad capacitor. And we will discuss the schematic briefly. So this is the schematic of the amplifier. The power cord goes into the polarity changing switch, which makes if the chassis is hot, we can change the polarity and remove the voltage from the chassis. Then it goes to the pilot lamp, and it goes to the dropping resistor and the heater chain. The at the input of the UY85, it is to AC to 20 volts, and then we have some filters. The output stage is a push-pull output stage with UCL82 pentodes as the power tube. Input goes into the half section of the ECC83, and only half of the ECC83 is being used. Rest half is not being used here. Then we go into a tone controlling network, and then the two triodes of the ECL82. Two triodes of the UCL82. The speaker is a 5 ohm speaker. So this is the schematic of the amplifier. So here is the speaker out from the cabinet. The condition of the speaker is okay, and it has been reconed. This is not the original cone of the speaker, because this is a Philips speaker. So this is not the original cone, and it has been reconed. And the cabinet condition of the cabinet is not good. The paint is all gone, and we have to repaint it.